Hi Lumberjacks! In this tutorial, you'll learn 2 quick ways to locate and access your courses from the Brightspace homepage, which we see displayed here. The news announcements will change periodically, but the general arrangement is always the same. News on the upper left, the My Courses widget in the lower left, and support information on the right. In the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see a sequence of icons near your name. The one that looks like a waffle is called the Course Selector, and as you might guess from the name, it provides quick access to your courses. To keep a course fixed at the top of this list, click the pushpin icon. But what if you don't see the course you're looking for in this list? In that case, scroll down to the My Courses widget to find it. If you're a new student, you may only see one semester in the My Courses widget, but over time you'll see more semesters and more classes. To pin a course so that it will be available from the Course Selector drop-down menu, mouse over the ellipsis dots and click Pin. Note that a start date and/or end date may be displayed on some of your courses. Most courses are set in Brightspace so that they don't open for students until on or near the first day of a new semester. Likewise, many courses are set to close shortly after a semester ends.